What's up guys, Honda revealed the 2023 Civic Type R just over a month ago with some preliminary detail. Today, Honda is getting much deeper into what's new and providing a ton of specs to pore over. Plus, there are a bunch of new pics for you to peruse. Almost every color available is represented. To start, we finally have official US spec power figures from the revised 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This Type R is rated at 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, representing increases of 9 and 15 respectively. Honda says the extra power and torque comes courtesy of a redesigned turbocharger, intake and exhaust system. The turbo features newly shaped and sized turbine blades, and Honda says that this combined with a better flow and intake enables the turbo to generate pressure over a wide range. In an effort to cool the more powerful engine, Honda says that new Type R features a larger grille opening than before, a bigger radiator and a larger diameter fan. The only transmission available is a 6-speed manual. The gearbox is improved from the previous 6-speed with a new high-rigidity lever and an optimized shift gate pattern for a hyper-precise gear change. It also gets a lighter flywheel and a rev match system. It's all riding on new 19-inch matte black wheels that make use of what Honda calls a reverse rim design meant to improve the stability of the tire contact patch when under load. Brake cooling is also improved, and Honda says it's made improvements in both feel and controllability. Honda says this new Type R is both more aerodynamically efficient and provides more downforce than the previous generation. All of the aero, like the new rear wing and rear diffuser, was designed with input from development members of the HRD Sakura Super HD racing team. As for the interior, Honda says occupants sit lower than before, but also claims enhanced visibility thanks to thin A-pillars, relocated side mirrors and a lower hood. The red sport seats are lighter and feature suede effect upholstery for extra grip on track. Those red seats are the only color option inside, and the same goes for the scorching red carpet. Interior tech is getting a massive boost in line with the regular Civic hatchback. So you'll find a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, a wireless phone charger, a Bose Centerpoint premium audio system, new drive mode control with a customizable individual mode, and an updated version of Honda's Log R performance data logger. Beyond all the above details, Honda had nothing else new to share that we haven't already knew. That means there is still no price. Yes, we're disappointed too. Honda says this Type R's engine will be built on Honda's Anna engine plant in Ohio, but the vehicle will be assembled in the Ural plant in Japan. It will launch in the fall, and Honda says to expect pricing and even more details to be available as we near the full launch. Ford is in the final stages of testing the 7th generation Mustang. The model isn't scheduled to make its debut until September 14th, and it won't land in showrooms until 2024 model year. But the Blue Oval is giving fans a preview of the available V8 engine's exhaust note. Posted on Twitter, the 16-second video is music to our ears. It features the sound of a V8 engine revving a few times, followed by the noise of tires squealing. It seemingly confirms that the next Mustang, which is called S650 internally, will be offered with a V8, likely a version of the current car's 5.0-liter unit. While an 8-cylinder used to be an expectation, it's quickly becoming a unique selling point. Dodge announced that its Hemi V8 will die with the Challenger and Charger after 2023 model year, and the Chevrolet Camaro's future is murky at best. Official technical specifications remain under wraps, but an early report claims the next generation Mustang will land with close to 500 horsepower, though whether that figure corresponds to the GT, the Mach 1 or another variant isn't clear. We're guessing that the roster of engines will carry over from the current generation car, meaning base models will ship with a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder. Rear-wheel drive will again come standard, and buyers will be asked to choose between a 6-speed manual and a 10-speed automatic. Ford will unveil the 7th generation Mustang on September 14th, 2022 at the Detroit Auto Show. Guys, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and good luck!